Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. How to hard reset Chinese tabs. So as you can see, we have a Chinese tab. So there are three buttons here. Okay, volume up, down, and power button. So what we have to do is we have to press power button and then volume up button. When you will see the logo, just hold only power up button and release power button. Volume up button only you have to keep pressing and release. As you can see, we have here our menu. Now we can uh, make factory reset. So by pressing this button, we'll click on this and it will start formatting. So how to, if you want to know how to remove how to bypass FRP in all Chinese tabs, I will, as you can see, we have formatted. So in next video you can see how to bypass FRP in all Chinese tabs. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel Dr. Mobo.